Hi all, this is part 7, last video for the series, and here we will discuss S3 cross-region replication in both in the single account and the cross AWS accounts. So agenda for discussion today, we will take two accounts here, account A and account B. Account A, we will create S3 a bucket, we will create S3 bucket in the both the account, and also we will create a bucket policy in account B. And after that, in account B, we will bucket name, we will add some policy. And in account A, we will create a replication rule for the other account and create one more replication rule for the same account replication rules, right? So it means two replication rule we need to create for this, one for the same account, one for the other account, right? Now, after that, we will add one object to the one bucket that will be replicated into the other in the same account other bucket, and as well as in other account for different bucket, right? So after doing this activity, we will go and delete all the resources. So this is the diagram where you can understand that we have a two account A, account B. In account A, we have a two regions, two buckets we created in different regions. First one is created in US East one, second one is created US West one. And in account B, we created one bucket in AP South End. Here we will go and apply the bucket policy on that S3 bucket, right? And using account A user, this user we will use in this bucket policy, right? We discussed earlier in the bucket policy in the last video. So after that, we will go in this region, US East 1, this account A, and create the replication rule for the same account. And from here itself, we will go and create replication rule for the other account. After doing this replication rule, we will add one object over in this bucket. That object will be replicated in this bucket also, as well as this bucket. We will see this thing in the POC, right? So let's go and start the POC. First, we will go into account A and create the bucket, right? So let's go and create buckets, right? So bucket name is Amit873 output India. Sorry, this is account A input. Input US because it's creating input A. So I'm going to this is my account A. Account A is, you can say, this one is the account A. This is a 6001 is account A. So I will go and create the bucket in account A. Amit input US region, right? US, you can see US, right? So, or better, we can see US East, right? For better understanding US East, right? So I'm just modifying it here also. And we will take a bucket versioning. We need to put enable here. This is the important thing. If we want to the replication, then we need to enable the bucket versioning, right? Then create the bucket. That bucket is created in US East one. Now we create one more bucket, and we will take name Amit873 US West, right? This is bucket name, and I will select US West one, right? This region, because different region where replication purpose, we are also enabling the bucket versioning, right? So this is bucket is created here. So two bucket we have created in one account, right? This is US East, US West, right? In East one and West one, right? Now, next we will go to the another account and create one account in output India at AP South one, right? So let's go in another account. This is a different, already three buckets are there. So I am going to create one more bucket over there. This is output India, you can see, and I will select AP South one, right? India is mainly Mumbai region, right? So AP South one, this one. And here we will enable this versioning here. Enabling the versioning, or we will go and create a bucket. This bucket is created here. Now we will go there and we will add two object to the input S3 bucket, right? Like input US East, because you have changed the name. So let's go and add two object in the bucket. You can see this bucket is created, right? Now in the first account, US East, we will go and create two items here. Add files. I'm adding image 1 and image 2, right? Open and uploading this image, right? Now you can see it is uploaded successfully for the two. I'm closing it. Now you can see we have two things where it is input bucket, you can say. So we are done. Now you can see here in the account we create as the bucket as the policy, because you can see we have created one bucket in India region, AP South one, and now we need to create the bucket policy here, right? So for that we need to go to the that bucket and generate the policy, right? So I am going over there. This is our bucket, right? And I will go in the permissions. You can see we don't have any bucket policy. I'm just assigning the bucket policy using the policy generator. And I am selecting here S3 bucket policy. Allow principal name is for the other account ARN. This is a root user, other account 6001. I am using root account. So action, which action we need to select, right? We can see here, we can select 4 action for doing this replication. We can select all, or you can select selective thing. So last video I have done select. Also in this video I am selecting some things, so four actions here. Replicate object and replicate object and replicate delete, right? So let's go here and select it. Replicate object and replicate delete, right? And get bucket versioning and put bucket versioning, right? Put bucket versioning and get bucket versioning, right? Get bucket versioning, right? You can see get bucket versioning, put bucket versioning. We have selected 4 rule. You can see 4 action is selected. In ARN we are using this bucket one. So I'm giving this ARN. Now add the statement. You can see we are getting here. Now generate the policy. We will get this policy where I'm just going and copying it in this policy, right? You can see it is generated here. Now go to here and we can see the policy. I mentioned policy here, right? For policy, get bucket versioning, get bucket, put bucket versioning, replication delete, and replicate object, right? So you can see 4 things are there, but we need to add something here, fund resource. And what I will do, I will add, because it is showing only for the object, right? So here you can see it is showing for the bucket, and now we need to take the object for bucket. So I'm posting a star. It will take all the object for this bucket, right? So this policy is created. You can see, right? Now we need to save it, right? Save changes. So it is added successfully. Now we have done. Now account A, create a replication rule for the other account bucket, right? Other account B replication rule, right? So go to the input one. This is our this one. This one, my input US East, right? So go to the input US East, because you have added East letter, right? East, and create a replication rule, right? So I am replication copying this rule. Account B, right? Yes, East. Now management tab, we will go there, and here you will get the replication rule, right? I am creating the replication rule here. I'm giving the name or the replication name for the other record. Okay, you can see the source packet is showing everything here, and you can see limit the scope prefix blank, right? Or you can roll out the all object for this policy. Both are same thing, right? And after you can see this will say the bucket in another account. Now what we need to do, destination, we need to select this one, specify a bucket in other object, and this is ID for the 12 ID for the other object ID for this 215. I will show you where I got it. You can see. See, this is the ID 347215 at last, right? So I've copied from here itself 215, and I'm putting it here. And bucket name, you know that Amit output India. We've created this bucket over there. You can see here bucket name also. I think something is okay. It's open here. So it is Amit 873 output India, right? This is bucket policy. So I've added here, right? And also you can see here, yeah, Asia Pacific, right? Now we will go and create the new role type. We can go and create new role for that, right? So just go there, and encryption default setting, we will go with default setting and save it. Delete marker replication enable. If you select this thing, then it will implement the deletion for that object also, right? This is for the replication matrix and notification. Other options are there, right? So I'm deleting delete marker replication. When we will delete the source object, it will reflect here also, right? Deletion will be sync. Now I'm saving it. Now you can see delete tab, sync, delete settings, save, right? We have done this. Now we will create the same thing rule for the same account, right? So we can see here we have created successfully this one replication. Now we'll go and create one more replication over there. This is for same account, and you can see source is showing this one. That is okay. And destination in the same account. So we can go and select the browse S3 and select the best option. Right? Because in the same account we can go and select it. You can see it is showing US West one, right? And now I am role, create a new role, right? And you can go and delete marker replication also here. So just check it out. We have done all those things or not. Destination, bucket name, selected this one, no role, enable option. Now what is happening here, it will sync only those objects will be synced after the creation of the replication rule. You know that we have already added two objects, image 1 and image 2, that will not replicate it in this region, in this same region, right? So I'm saving it. So it's saved, right? Now you can see we have created two replication rule, right? So let's go and check. 2-1 is there. In here you can see two objects are there, right? And you can see in the west one, we don't have anything others, right? I'm refreshing it, right? In the other hand, go to the this one and go check the object. Here we don't have any object here, right? So replication will take some little bit time for replicating it. So while we are waiting, we just do one thing. We will add one object to the input object, right? Let me open one more window for that. S3, right? So there we will open one bucket over there. You can see here we can opening US West, right? And here I will open US East. So what will happen? I'm going to add one object here, right? So action upload, I'm adding image3. It's better I can add two images at same time, right? Image3 and image4. So let's see. Open, you can see image3 and image4. I'm uploading here. Now you can see it is uploaded successfully in the main region. Now what will happen in this region? It will replicate it, right? After some time, and same thing will happening in the other class account. This is the class account, and after some time it will reflected here also, right? So let's wait. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm pausing this video and I'll come back and run, right? Now you can see here it is replicated in the cross account very instantaneously and without taking much time, because I've just refreshed and got image3 and image4 from here, right? And same time it is showing. You can see it is showing 6:20 time zone. You can check it out, 6:20, 21. And the when we have added here, sorry, when we have added in a main account, you can see same time added 6:20, right, to the date. So let's check in the same region. It is one is replicated and it's still in progress, right? I think we will get it in a few seconds, right? A few minutes. So you can see it is replicating, not replicating 1 and 2 objects. So due to the region, I've added 2 objects before creating the replication rule. I just want to show you that this object is not replicated which were available before that replication rule, right? So it will replicate only the new one. So let's see what is happening here. It is taking time because one is already replicated, another is taking time, right? And the other hand, you can see it is recorded 2 objects in the other cross account access, right? Let's check. So it will take a little bit time because replication process taking 1 to 2 minutes. Let's wait for that, right? Now you can see it uploaded successfully. Here in the first one is the 4 records, and you can see here is 2 records. Another place you can output in the other account is 2 records, right? Now it will replicate the both region. So similarly, we can do it for other one replication. We can activate, right? And now you can see your replication process will take time a little bit, but it's working, right? So we have done, we add object to the bucket, right? We have done this step, and delete process. We need to go to delete the bucket. I will show you the deletion of that bucket. Just go there and S3. I'm going to select this one, empty, first empty. I think before this, we need to deletion the sync, right? I missed out here, sync. So first we need to go to delete sync. Like in this account, we have added some, no, not here. Yeah, here in this account, US East, we need to go to management. And first we need to go and delete the replication, right? Select this replication, this one, first one, and select and delete, right? Delete replication rule, right? And same way, I will go and select this one, right? And select delete replication rule. Delete and delete replication rule, right? So it is deleted here. Now replication rule is deleted. Now we will go and delete empty object, right? Just go and clean empty it. So I will write down this. Sorry, select, not able to select, permanently delete, right? And exit. Now I need to select this one, empty, permanently delete, right? And next one from the other account also, we will go here and delete, right? Now it will be deleted. Now we need to go and delete it. First we need to import it and then delete it, right? I'm deleting this bucket. Delete bucket, right? So bucket is deleted. From here we have 3 buckets still left, and here we will go and delete it, right? I've deleted this bucket, and I've selected this one and delete this bucket also. So deletion process is completed. We deleted everything which whatever you have created here, right? So for this we have done. Now we need to delete IAM role, which is creating for this one. So just check it out. IAM role also here. Some roles is created for that. Not here. Go to the primary, because replication rule you have created in this account, primary account. So it will reflect it here. See here, it is reflected for we have created 2 replication rules. So it is showing two things here, right? So I'm going to delete this one. Going and delete it. It is deleted, right? So we have done this POC, and now it is on the last video for this series. Thanks for watching my old videos. If you like with this video, please like and subscribe my channel. And I'm closing now. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Bye bye.